Hello, sir. I am Mohammed Ali. I am the CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution. We always provide all kinds of Google My Business issue. So if your Google My Business got restricted or suspended, then you can freely knock us, and we are ready to fix your issue. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a real case where we successfully approve our recent client case. So if I show you, you can see it's 9 July. So you can see that from mail from Google, and that is your business profile has been suspended. So next up, vehicles inspection, your business profile has been suspended due to a policy violation, and violation type was the content that violate our policies that allowed. So here you can see today is 28 July. So this account got suspended 9 July. And if I show you this email, let me refresh it so that you can see it's real. Okay, so you can see that it's 13 July. So our account got suspended 9 July, and it was another approval mail. It was 13 July. So next up, vehicles inspection, your appeal has been approved. And if I show you this, now we can see that our GMB profile is successfully visible to public, and it's fine. Okay, so this was suspended, then client knock us, then we start to talk and communicate with our client with necessary document and some basic question FAQ. Then client successfully provide us document, and whatever answer we need, they successfully replied us. Then we working and it's approved. So if I show you, we don't need much time. It was suspended 9 July, and then we approve is 13 July, and today is 28 July. So our GMB is still okay. So that's why we make this video little bit later, so that our client actually see that our work is how much good and still is fine. Okay, no issue. So if you face any kinds of this kind of reinstatement issue, feel free to knock us. We are always ready to fix your every issue. So GMB, you know that GMB is suspended for many reasons. If you have some error with your document, or when you are going to create GMB profile, there are also some many internal issue, some external issue. So all of them, we cannot actually know what happens, because you are not a Google My Business policy specialist. Actually, we are a Google policy specialist, and we know how to fix an issue. So that's why we realize that take care our case in deeply, and we actually try to focus on every issue, how we can mark all the violation, then we try to fix them, then we make an appeal. So only a manual appeal is not a solution. Here we need to done lots of step, we need to going on step by step, then we can able to make it up. So if you face any kinds of these kinds of issue, feel free to knock us. You can knock us on our WhatsApp, on our Gmail, and also you can comment on our YouTube video, so that we can reach you. Okay, so we're always 24 hours active on WhatsApp, so you can freely to knock us on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video. And of course, why you should Aliwave Digital Solution? And the answer is you should hire Aliwave Digital Solution, because Aliwave Digital Solution only take full charge after approval your ads account. They never charge full amount without your success. Okay, so it means no fix, no fee. Okay, so hope you will be a good deal, because you only need to pay when your profile is successfully completed. Okay, so we're waiting for our next project. Hope you knock soon, and let's discuss and fix your issue. Thanks so much for watching this video.